there's this bird there. Told Damien pull forward a little bit, but he wants it to
Life.
Ooh.
We're obviously not in the Grand National.
Yeah.
Not with T-tops.
So it's the end of another day.
Yeah, an hour and a half later of trying to find, no, longer than that, of trying to find blades.
So anyways, we got this set up. None of it is torqued down yet. It's just kind of in place and loose. Now I'm gonna mount the spindle, then start tightening the castle nuts, and then once the car's on the ground, we'll finish doing the tightening up all the bolts for the bushings. We sent out one of our buddies to go get us the correct length linkage for this. He actually needed some shorter ones, otherwise this would have been against the frame. But yeah, so I got the spindle mounted, and now I went to put the castle nut on here, and when we first set these up, we actually realized that we may need to put a double washer here because I guess they didn't machine this deep enough, or I don't know. Whatever the reason is, it needs a double washer because there's like a 1/64 of an inch gap from where the washer bottoms out and the face of the bearing behind it. So yeah, we're gonna modify a washer, put it on there behind this one, and then put a nut on it, and we should be good to go. Here's Damien losing his mind.
It's very close. What's your problem, Damien? You're breaking all the lines? Oh wait, it's the line.
I don't know, he does have really shitty bad luck.
No. Say it isn't so. Is that slow enough, Grandpa?
I was waiting for him to take it off and it'd be cracked.
Just like I said it was going to be.
Alright, did it work?
You tell me. It looks perfect to me.
Probably still a little warm.
Yeah, it looks good.
Oh, imagine that. Youngster?
Yeah, no.
Oh, no? Sure looks like it worked to me.
Hey, it's all you. I'm here repairing this brake line. And then this usually kind of comes down through here and down over. But we're lifting it so I can get this tool in there. We're going to convert it to AN and yeah.
And then an adapter to the old school.
Yeah, well, actually, yeah, good point. It also has this adapter here. Because the lines that he got that came with the kit were for the stock lines, but usually this fitting here breaks. Actually, it's right here. This fitting breaks just like that, so it spins the line and done.
40.1 pounds.
Oh Jesus!
What do you gotta have the motion?
Yeah, you get a reality TV here.
Reality. You know what reality is? Life sucks. And then you die.
Jesus.
That's reality.
All right, so well, 40.1 pounds for that spindle. That's a stock spindle. And here we go. I'm gonna truth.
92
drum
pounds.
roll.
Woo, that's actually a huge savings.
Was that
11 pounds.
11 pounds?
Damn.
Wow.
Of rotating mass at that.
Well, part of it's spindle, but I'll give it that.
Woo! That's 20 pounds off the front end. Yeah, bitch.
That is a huge improvement, actually. Anyways, we're back home. Finally got some nice weather. It actually looks really nice outside. It's nice and sunny too. Pretty much all this means is that I'm gonna start working on my bumpers again. I don't remember if I posted it on Instagram or not already, but this is a fiberglass bumper. It's actually an ATR bumper, and as you can see, weighs nothing. And what I did is that I removed the center support that it had. It actually had a fiberglass center chunk, and took that off. And the whole purpose of taking that off is that I'm going to use an aluminum insert like that one, lay it in there, pour some adhesive all over it, and let them bond together. At this point, from a little bit of research and some of the guys that I go to school with, it looks like I'm going to be either using 3M structural bond or some type of methacrylate. So that way I can bond metal to fiberglass. And then once that's done, this is going to get body worked, slap back in the car, get rid of that one. And then next week I should be getting the rear end work done on my car. I'm going with some 30 spline axles, new posse, drive shaft, new yokes, the whole 9 yards. Pretty much the whole rear end is getting rebuilt. And that is some preparation for the new engine. Pretty much on the next couple of videos, you're going to get hints of what's all going on that engine, and hopefully I get to record a little bit at Anderson Performance when they start assembling the engine. So anyways, I'm back to putting the spindle on here, and again, same drill. Everything is mounted here, all loose. Gonna put the spindle here, put this on, tighten those down, and get it done. So anyways, Damien in the rush here, slammed the car on the ground, can't even get the jack
Damien
out.
on the rush.
Damien in a rush.
I said, I'm going to take it down. You go, yeah.
Anyway.
I love how he edits the video so that he always says what never happens. So I told Damien to drop. No, wait, I cut that. Let's record this again. So Damien dropped it, and that's why it's sitting on its ass right now.
Well,
there you go.
It's a little low. I mean, you can get, what, how many fingers? Like,
No. Oh my god, and I'm over here taking the brakes apart because they still don't work.
So $2,000 more worth of shit, and the brakes still don't work. I love it.
Dude, I'm telling you,
absolutely love it.
That gotta be bad. Like that's the only thing I can think of.
The master cylinder's got to be bad. It's the
It
pin
can't
that's
be
not going far enough in.
Do you have brakes when the car's running? Does it work? No.
I mean, I do, but it's got like.
It doesn't feel like it has power assist.
I know how to fix it. You take that engine out and put it in kit.
Good call. Well, that would look good.
So now measure how much it drops.
Because now it's slammed. We got about 1.5 inch finger.
So you're just gonna spin the spring?
So
yeah, spin the spring.
Spin the nut 2 inches up, and I don't know. The other thing is that he's got 450-pound springs, so I don't think he's shaved that much weight off.
You don't think?
So anyways, Damien's over here trying to adjust his ride height because the thing is literally slammed.
Yep. I'm dragging intercooler.
I'm over here just laying down, kind of enjoying, you know. But yeah, this is gonna be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed.
I did.
Well, yeah, obviously neither one of us did because we did a lot of work and accomplished absolutely nothing.
And we still have problems with the brakes.
Yep.
So if anybody's really good with brakes,
let us know what the problem is.
Because we've replaced the calipers, the master cylinder, the hydraulic assist, the brake lines, and there's fluid coming out of all the lines because we bled everything, and yet I still have like a 1.5 inch pedal travel.
So yeah, on that note,
unless you're bleeding it. If you bleed it, then it goes all the way to the floor.
All right, hit the like button.